Can chiropractic help migraines? This was a question that was asked by another viewer, so here's the answer. Oh, by the way, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with the Line Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove obstacles from their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. The answer is yes. In most cases, chiropractic care helps massively to help with migraines. Here's the skinny on it. Typically, migraines are stemmed from issues within the base of your skull. And what happens is that the spine winds up getting misaligned, putting pressure on the nerves so that the energy coming out causes your body to overreact to the environment. It may make you look like Our Lady right here. If we just leave it, we continue to have this misalignment, further breakdown happens, further degeneration happens, and symptoms become worse and show up in other places. However, if we work to take the pressure off of those nerves so that they can work more freely, very quickly someone gets out of pain. And if we wind up working to stabilize the spine and strengthen it, we can help those migraines be gone for the rest of your life. To see if you're a candidate for chiropractic care related to your migraines, go ahead and reach out to our office. If you want individual help, you can also click down below. We've got our schedule for our discovery calls to figure out the next best step for you. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.